e don red though. They say that the Yoruba man don come outside boldly say that nothing is going to stop Biafra, that Tinubu should immediately stop and also dialogue and negotiate with Biafras. My people, I want you to watch this video. Remember, say you see there for news info. Share as you dey watch am.
First things first, I've been saying to people, whether anybody likes it or not, that nobody can stop Biafra. No human being can stop Biafra. No human being can stop the sun from shining, whether you like it or not. No, it's not. See, Biafra is a spirit. I'm a Yoruba man. I have the spirit of Oduduwa in me. If you kill me, you cannot kill my spirit. Nobody. So Biafra is a spirit that no human being can conquer. You can't conquer it. Every Igbo man, whether you like it or not, you're a Biafra. Forget politics. People are not playing politics. No. It's not about politics. It's about the fact. Every man that was born in the East, they have this Biafra spirit in them. I have the Oduduwa spirit in me. Outside would have the Arewa spirit in them. Do you understand? Okay, let me give an example. After the Civil War, you bomb them, you destroy their properties. Then we saw children in videos with kwashoko, big bellies, begging. We saw these videos. Then, what did God do for them? God made sure that today, they are everywhere, they are where they are. Because of that Biafra spirit in them, which no human being can conquer. It's a fact. You know, some people that they are so afraid, I'm not a Biafra. You are a Biafra man. If you are an Igbo man, you're a Biafra man. Peter Obi is an Igbo man, is a Biafra man. For example, our president Bola Tinubu said, Yoruba man, he said, Oduduwa man. You can see, I am first an Egba person, then a Yoruba person, then before I'm a Nigerian. So an Igbo man first is a Biafran, then before he's a Nigerian. That's who he is. You can't deceive yourself. You can be deceiving yourself every time, but the truth will catch up with you one day. I said to people, I said, even if you kill all the Igbo people and remaining one little child, that child is Biafra. That's why it cannot be defeated. They are everywhere now. And they're not everywhere. Where do you go that you won't see them? In shops, in marketplaces, all over the world. They're everywhere. So you can't defeat them. So holding Kanu will only embolden them. Terrorist sponsors are not in detention in Nigeria. People, for example, even Sunday ago, the Yoruba man that said he wanted to do is free. Then why is Nnamdi Kanu in detention? Do you know what I'm saying? Now listen to me. When Nnamdi Kanu appeared in court, did you watch the court proceedings? When he appeared in court and he was speaking boldly. So my best friend is an Igbo person. He called me and said, I've watched the video. I said, what did you see from the video? He said, no, he just saw Nnamdi Kanu speaking. I said, you don't understand spiritual matters. The spirit of Dimodumego Juku was speaking in Nnamdi Kanu that court proceeding. He was very bold. He was telling because you cannot try me in this court. It is the spirit of a man that makes a man, not the body. The body can die, but the spirit cannot die. Okay, after the Civil War, why is Biafra still on people's lips today? It's not supposed to die because the spirit refused to die. That's what they don't know. The spirit refused. The body can die. The body is human flesh.
So it's from generation to generation.
No, but yes now. So whether you like it or not, whether you try to deceive yourself or not, it cannot go. Especially the way you are marginalizing them.
Yes.
Do you understand? Let me give an example. In education, in journalism, in law, Yoruba people, they are majorly there. That's why you see the NUG and everything, they are in Lagos, in Yoruba land. In military, majorly, people that are in military majorly are the northern people. It's a fact. That's why you see military headquarters is in Kaduna State. In Nigeria, we talk about business, importers. They are majorly the Igbo people. But where is the seaport in Igbo land? That is the question. There's no seaport there. And it is deliberate. Or this thing is not deliberate. It's deliberate now. So until you make sure that if there's justice, fairness and equity in Nigeria, then all of us will be able to move forward. But if we keep deceiving ourselves, one Nigeria, this one is better than Nigeria, you are just, you cannot beat a child and ask the child not to cry. You know the truth. One Nigeria, don't see anything. It's just it's one Nigeria that looks like a Fulani country. One Nigeria that favors people and does not favor the other people. Do you understand? Give Igbo men seaports. Lagos will be depopulated. Give them seaports in their place. They have their place for seaports. And the people will say the Igbo land is landlocked. That's a big lie. The Igbo land is never landlocked. They have sea. Then you can give them seaports so that they can start importing something from their own place. Not that everything will be now contained in Lagos. You know what I'm saying? So these people God has blessed them in business. Because I told people, I said, after the Civil War, I said, if assuming see, naturally in Nigeria, the poorest people in Nigeria are supposed to be the Igbo people. It's a fact. Because you give some of them 20 pounds, properties have been destroyed, they have nowhere to go. But God bless them, and some of their leaders, especially from I know Anambra very well. That's why today in West Africa, the amount of billionaires that come from Anambra State cannot be compared to anywhere. It's a fact. Go and Google it. In West Africa, Anambra have the highest number of billionaires. They are good in business. What do? You serve your guy many years, then after like 6 years, he gives you the shop, then you go again. That one that they now give shop today too, another person come and serve him. That's how they were able to remove themselves small by small out of poverty. Assuming they behave like this outside people, that they were giving people food and be begging, today they'll be the poorest because they fought a civil war. That's why I say ordinarily all these beggars that you see here are also naturally be the Igbo people, is a fact. But they are not because their leaders are able to think and take them out of poverty the way they can. But the government seems to be against them. I mean the federal government. Give everybody, if you give a Hausa man the same opportunity, Yoruba man the same opportunity, give Igbo people the same opportunity, Nigeria will be better than this. But because okay, this is your tripod, and I'll be saying it, Nigeria is like a tripod, these three things. If you remove one out of it, two cannot make it stand. You deliberately remove the Igbo people from them. You now give only Hausa and Yoruba. It's no, it's not. I mean, it's not good. It's not balanced. It's not God bless. It's not balanced. It was a day one man here was very happy. It's a Yoruba man. He said, the Igbo no good. Igbo no get president. Igbo will never become president. After Yoruba and Hausa, after Hausa Yoruba. I said, I want to ask you a question. This useless Yoruba and Hausa and power. What have you benefited from it? Yeah, he said no, not. I said then thunder will fire you. You know that you're not benefiting, but you can't even say the truth. You're not benefiting anything from them. You are a Christian. You have the mind of God to tell people that no, this is right. This is not right. We cannot say we are one country and we are against a particular people. No president. To become president is wahala. Let me give you an example. In Nigeria, go and check it. Every unitary school. If a Yoruba, Hausa, and Igbo man want to write an exam, it's a fact. Unitary school, Yoruba man will they must have like 200 marks to be admitted. Igbo man like 200 marks to be admitted. Hausa man like 50 marks. I'm telling you, this is a fact. In unitary school in Nigeria, all of them. Now, if after somebody 200 marks, another 200 marks, another 50 marks, they now go to school. If there's now a job in federal civil service, in NNPC, in CBN and all those things, the first person to be employed will be that person that has 50 marks. I say the country should go forward. Stop deceiving yourself. Let us pray for Nigeria. You cannot pray for a goat and the goat will now become a cow. Pray for Nigeria. You have been praying for Nigeria so many years. And it's not working because there is no justice, equity, and fairness. Until there is justice, equity, and fairness, then the country can thrive and move forward. And people will see that, oh, Nigeria is working. But for now, there's no justice, equity, and fairness. People are just deceiving themselves. You understand? There's no justice, there's no equity, there's no fairness. People are just deceiving themselves. I don't deceive myself. I'm a kind of person, I tell myself the truth. My father used to tell me, if somebody is deceiving you, it's better. But you don't deceive yourself. You don't deceive yourself. Nigeria cannot work like this, where you are sidelining a major tribe and you are making sure that they don't get to power, and by putting incompetent people in power. In 2015, And I told people, I said this election, if you make mistake, Nigeria will never recover. I said I don't fear anybody. No, it's Buhari. The reason why they were against Jonathan was because Jonathan's name, he said his name is Goodluck Ebele, Azikiwe Jonathan. Oh, Jonathan is like, I said he's not an Igbo man, it's a Niger data. No, that is an Igbo man. Make we come out time. I said, my hand not dead here. And they know me, my hand is not there. Even when they were to protest against him, I did not go. They know. I said, go for me. I know they follow useless people. Now they remove him and put a man that ordinarily cannot be a local government chairman, that does not have the brain to even be a security, a megad in a bank. You put him as the president. Look at where Nigeria is today, because of tribalism. I know that Buhari will not do anything, no, but Oshibanjo, now Yoruba man, is his vice. He don't vote like that. He said, no. Look at the problem now. The 2023 came. This is the best time to change the Nigeria. I said this time around, very simple. Competence, capacity, character, commitment. Peter Obi, let's go. I was telling, let's go, please, let's go this time around. And I don't collect money from anybody. Just vote for mine. I know, Tinubu na Yoruba man, but in our own person, in your wani. I said no, don't do like this. And no, nothing will happen. I was in the bus when I was campaigning. When that old man said, I would rather die under Tinubu than to enjoy under Peter Obi, I was in the bus. One man said it in this place, said, I know that Tinubu cannot perform well, but I would rather vote for him than vote for an Igbo man. The other man in my compound said, Igbo people cannot be trusted. I said, if there's any tribe that can be trusted in Nigeria, I swear to God, I'm speaking from bottom of my heart, it's Igbo people. Do you know why? They are everywhere doing business. Everywhere you go, I'm an artisan. I do my aluminum work everywhere. I've been to where you must see an Igbo man doing, is that chemist or something there? He said, no, that same man now is complaining in the compound. Yes, now. Maybe I told some of them now, they said they want to come and join the obedient movement. And I told them, if you want to join, they see the line. I'm just a spokesman, I'm not anybody. So if you want to join, just make sure that you are working. But if you don't have work, they give you a 5,000, you vote under Mumu again. So vote this time around, don't collect money. Make sure that things are going well. I'm telling you, I know what people are facing. No, me and that one, I see all those ones I want them. Poverty, insecurity, inflation does not know tribe or religion. I told them. Even Buhari that we say is the worst president is not better than our human beings are not missing Buhari. I said if we can miss Buhari in Nigeria, that means something is wrong. Is it not like that? As I was coming from my house one day, 3 people came to meet me. Thank God, come, I said, come. Obi and Atiku want to join together. I say, hey, what's the problem? Say, I beg. Make them join together. I say, hey, good morning, no. This one, good morning. I want you here. I told you in this place. You kept calling me, oh, you're a bastard. You hate Yoruba, you're a bastard. I'm a Yoruba person, but the truth is the truth. Let us see the truth and say it. Now look at it. Then and now, they don't want Peter Obi to come back. And you see.
Okay, come back.
Because the man have brain of it's a trader, you know, a trader can multiply money. He have brain, not just a politician. That don't know anything politics. They put all their children in politics, all their wife in politics. They don't know you. They have used you and dumped you.
They don't know you.
They don't know you now. You give them. I told them in this place. You give them 2 decades of rice. It is here 2 decades of rice. Maggi, salt, tomato, groundnut oil. Take. Go and vote. They will not be singing. Hey. A man was giving. A Yoruba man was giving elderly woman one spaghetti. A video. I have the video. Hey, sister, one spaghetti. I was angry. This is bad now. We should tell ourselves the truth in this place. How can Posa be receiving you every year? The same thing you do every year. Don't collect money from any person again. Vote your mind now that, oh, this man can do it. My mind. I don't care the person, but just your mind. But only the money they give you, we finish.
We know they hear for Nigeria. We know they hear.
No, you see, let me tell you. Poverty has been weaponized. And democracy cannot work where there's poverty and illiteracy.
In a developed country, something like this, it doesn't happen now.
It doesn't happen. Yes, because no. See, my brother, let me give you an example. When you are okay, if somebody call you and say come and take 5,000 and vote for somebody, you cannot vote because you have that money. But somebody that is not working, they brainwash him, and you give him small money and food, he will vote for the wrong candidate. That is the problem. So poverty and illiteracy have been weaponized that whenever election comes, you must vote for a wrong leader because it's from your tribe. You understand? So it is intentional. They made it so that when you are so poor, you must vote for the wrong candidate, which I am against. Muslim ticket, a mumu ticket, Muslim, mumu. Even the people that are Muslim ticket, even the Muslims themselves, they don't. Now, let me tell you. Under Jonathan, you know that Eid Kabir is coming. They call it, we call it Ileya. Under Jonathan, people they will have been buying goats, rams up and down. Have you seen one ram pass here? Some of them they are giving them quick notice. This is frustration everywhere. But we want them that the only way to go is to vote for a man that have competence, capacity. They say no. You want to vote for our tribe. Oh yeah, your tribe, enjoy it. I told them, I said, after 2 years, all of you become obedient. Less than 5 months, they are not coming to meet me. That's the problem. You know what I'm saying? So now everybody should learn. Biafra spirit cannot die. The same way my spirit cannot die. The same way our spirit cannot die. Whether you like it or not, no human being on earth can stop Biafra. That's my opinion.
Thank you very much.